Today we wanted to take a look at a little more complex specific heat problem. So this one says a lead fishing weight with a mass of 57 grams absorbs 146 calories of heat. If its initial temperature is 47 degrees Celsius, what is the final temperature? So we know that the formula is Q equals M capital C delta T. Let's make sure that all of our units are in the correct values. So we have the Q is 146 calories. The mass is 57 grams. The heat capacity, it says that it is lead, so I look it up on the table in the book, which tells me it is 0.128 joules per gram degree C. And then for the delta T, I don't know the temperature final. That's what I'm looking for, but I'm given the initial at 47. Now, I noticed that the Q is in calories and the specific heat is in joules. So we need to convert one or the other. I think it would be easier to convert the Q, so I'm going to convert this to joules. And I remember there are 4.184 joules per 1 calorie. So when I make this conversion, I get 610.864 joules. Remember, do not round anything until you get to your final answer. So now we want to plug it back in the original equation. So I'm going to have 610.864 joules equals 57 grams times 0.128 joules per gram degree C times the T final minus 47. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these two together. Next, following my order of operations, I have to distribute this throughout the parentheses. Once I have distributed and got my answer, I need to get the side with the variable all by itself. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add this number to both sides. So I get 953.776 equals 7.296 T final. Now, the opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide both sides by the number in front of the variable. Okay, so when I do that, what do you get? I get this really big, ugly number. And if you go back to the original number, you can only have two significant figures. We want to take that and make it 130 degrees Celsius.